Hi guys, today we will talk about how to visit Reddit mobile on your Reddit app. We will go to find this window on how we can do that on your Reddit app. All you have to do, you just go up here in this picture on app, you will click, then this window it's going to show for you like this, and you just click here on settings. Then we come to settings window here in this window, and we just go down here on down, and you click here on visit Reddit mobile. You will click, and it's going to show for you here Reddit mobile here, like you say in this window. And here you can so you can join here in this mobile here. So that's all. Now you can join, you just click here and it's going to join with you. You join it, and you can post something here on your Reddit mobile. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.